Yes, thank you so much. Well, it's an absolute honor for me to be here for the Beti event which is happening tonight, and it's amazing, when you're doing something, you're being a part of such a noble cause. So it's a great thing in its own way, and especially your movement here, which is initiated by Anuji and Shashiji. This is the 16th year. So I'm absolutely proud to be a part of it. And today is such an auspicious day in its own way because today is Mother's Day. So आज सारी माओ का दिन है. So I'm going to be, my mother's going to be joining here in no time, and उनके साथ यहाँ पर मिलके to be a part of the Beti Foundation is just the perfect Mother's Day celebration I could have asked for. So I'm also walking the ramp. This is the first time I'm here at the Beti Foundation. So yeah, I'm pretty excited and I'm really happy to be here.
Thank you so much, Pele, for everybody to be a part of this. We are 17 years old. पूरे 17 साल हो गए हैं. एंड जब शुरू किया था वी स्टार्टेड फॉर फीमेल फीटरसाइड. उसके बाद देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज ऑफ मेडिकल एक्सेट्रा व्हिच वी डिड. एंड देन वी हर्ड मिस्टर प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी का जो बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ इनिशिएटिव. तो वी टुक इट ऑन आवरसेल्व्स कि जितने भी लड़कियों को हम पढ़ा सकते हैं, लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. टुडे वी आर एजुकेटिंग 323 गर्ल्स who in the last 2-3 years have stood first in SSC, HSC, etc. Last year भी उनको हम लेके आए थे, last year students. This year we've got the students who've topped this year. So they're all going to be a part of it. And very honestly, all of us who support Beti in any which way, we become like an NGO in ourselves. We take out of ourselves, we take out time, energy, effort to do for a cause, which itself means a lot. ऐसे shows basically क्या होता है, ये events होते हैं, but the bigger picture is just to get everybody together because this is just a tariqa, so thank everybody for being with us today, and hopefully many years to come we can make a difference in the lives of families by educating their daughters. So it's a good feeling.
देखिए, ये मुहिम जो हमने छेड़ा था उस वक्त, ये जो अवेयरनेस थी अबाउट बेटी एंड अबाउट गर्ल चाइल्ड वाज नॉट एज मच जितना आज है. तो मुझे खुशी है कि इतने सालों से हम डिफरेंट तरीके से गर्ल चाइल्ड के लिए काम कर पाए हैं, चाहे वो उनकी एजुकेशन का रहा हो, चाहे उनकी हेल्थ का इशू रहा हो, या कोई भी सोशल ईवल जैसे एसिड विक्टिम्स और भी कई तरह की जो चीज़ें समाज में जो हमारे बुराइयां हैं उनके अगेंस्ट हमने न सिर्फ आवाज़ उठाई बल्कि उन्हें फाइनेंशियली इमोशनली हेल्प भी किया. तो मुझे खुशी है कि आज हम इतना लंबा सफ़र बहुत खूबसूरती से तय कर पाए, और मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ उन सभी लोगों का जो साल दर साल आकर हमारे साथ खड़े होते हैं, हमारी मदद करते हैं और हमें ये हौसला देते हैं कि हम आगे भी इस तरह का काम करते रहें.
Firstly, thank you, and secondly, I can't believe it's been 17 years. I remember going for the first event जो इतना छोटा सा था, जहाँ पर basically it started off with just creating awareness against the killing of the girl child in India. But over the years, इतने लोगों ने हमें confidence दिखाया, हमें faith दिखाया है कि हमें they approached us if they needed help. They donated to us saying that, okay, we trust you to help people. So it's been a great feeling, and I'm so proud to be born and raised in a family that was always sensitive towards other people, and I'm hoping that I can continue that tradition.
I think I've been associated with it in the last 5 years. That's where I met her, and it's an honor for me to just be able to be here to try and do my little bit that I can to try and spread more awareness of this wrongdoing that we are trying to fight over here, and it's just an honor to be here.